Hi guys, here at Oddingley level crossing in Worcestershire with Worcestershire. Time now is 12:27 on Saturday the 31st of August 2019. This is for your 12:20 at past 12:24 at Stoke Works Junction, 6 Victor 84, GBRF service from Clitheroe Castle Cement GB to Avon Mouth Hanson Sidings GBRF. And since the last time I filmed here, that Lidar, I think it was the bottom Lidar, if I remember correctly, has since been replaced with a new one. Well, or at least I think it has anyway. It looks quite new. It looks a lot newer than, well, not a lot newer, but it certainly looks newer than the one on the top though. '66 705.